Are you
What we have here is a festival called Fire and Ice, and what we've built is a bunch of artistic installations with sound and light. Our goal is to make people happy and to have people have a joyful experience. And we live and breathe sound and lighting and production every day, so it's easier for us to come up with creative ideas when we discuss with the client and they want to do something fun.
When you look at the installations on their own and the technology that went into it, I think it was a no-brainer because when working with Optimal Show Experience, we can really trust what they bring forward. When you look at how it's laid out, how it's placed, we really want the community to feel like they're a part of something much larger. We know that social media is ever-changing. Since the pandemic, things have shifted. We have to move with the times, and we think very progressively when we look at the city and the community as a whole. What are things that people are going to remember? How can they take a moment and be in that moment and remember it forever, embrace it?
It was so great to see over the last few nights just all the hard work we put into in the last 4 months just come to life, and just the staff at OSE just growing and being able to build these exhibits together with us and design it all and seeing it come to life and just seeing the smile on their faces when they see their art come to life as well. Nothing makes me happier.